Hello there, everybody, and welcome to your favorite thing that is happening all week. It's time for the movie news with Pongo! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So, of course, this week, we had the whatever it's called, the thing where a whole bunch of people get dressed up in stupid costumes and they go along and they all hang out together because they have no shame whatsoever. And then you have a bunch of washed up celebrities who are along to promote their new movie. Because otherwise nobody's going to see it. And you can buy a bunch of expensive junk and pay about $1,000 for an autograph. Oh, it's such a good time. So, of course, because, there's this coronavirus and everyone's dying. So this year, they tried something different. They did a Comic-Con at home. That, instead of getting all dressed up in your nerd costume and going and hanging out with a bunch of stinky, sweaty people, this time around you could just enjoy it from the comfort of your couch. Because it was all on the YouTubes. They had all the famous filmmakers and the actors and stuff. And we had a bunch of people talking about new movies coming out. Like, you had the Ted and Bill. They were talking about that. And, and also, Zach Schnitzel. Zach Schnitzel! He revealed a little clip from his Justin League, his Schnitzel cut, and you got to see for the first time the black suit Spurman. Are we allowed to say that, or is it African American suit? Okay, no, that's fine. It's a black suit Spurman, which, to be honest, you could already see it if you watch the Justin League movie, but you turn the colors down on your TV. Then it's the black suit Spurman. And speaking of the Winona virus, we've had a whole bunch of movies that have been pushed back yet again. All these movies are supposed to come out this year, but now they're being pushed back to 2012. Next year. So, pretty much if you're one of these jerks on YouTube who thinks he's a movie critic, now is the time to get your top 10 list out of the way. Because, you haven't got much left to put on it. But we've got, there's movies like the Moulin Rouge is coming out next year, and then the 16 Avatar sequels, they're being pushed back now, and the Quiet Place 11. What? Wow, they're skipping all the way to part 11 already? What? Oh, it's a 2! It's an 11, you jerks! And also, the Top of the Gun, part 2. That's also coming out next year now, so, and we don't even know what's happening with Tent. Tent, the big one that everyone's always talking about. It's, who knows? Maybe it'll never come out. Maybe you just have to imagine what it would look like. We've also got news that the new Jack-Off movie, Jack-Off, what? Ass? What? Who are you calling? Oh, Jackass! Yeah, okay. The Jackass movie, it's being pushed back to September of next year. Aside from the Winona virus holding the production back, I think, they had to get some clearance from the old age home to get everybody out, so they could hurt themselves again. Now, you may remember recently, I posted some videos about me. I was talking to my friend, Brie Larceny, who was Captain Marbles. And, she's just been posting a bunch of things on the Insta Facebook, Gram, whatever. And, she's really happy. She's so happy. She's celebrating that it's been 4 years since she became Captain Marbles. So she's posted a bunch of nostalgic pictures, and, she's all happy because, let's face it, in the last 4 years, She hasn't really done much else. So she's really milking this Captain Marbles thing for all it's worth. But yeah, good luck to you. I really hope another job comes along soon. But now on to our top story this week. Now, this is a sensitive subject, and it's all illegibly. This all illegibly happened. There's a whole bunch of, misinformation and alligators. So, okay, you've got this guy who, he's played Darth Maui in the Star Trek Wars. What? Maul? But that looks like an I. It looks like Darth Maui. An L is longer, Guys, come on, man. Okay, so the shopping mall guy, his name is Ray Parker Jr. And recently, there was a post on his Instagram of a lady, which was his wife, eating something that looked like a rice paper roll or some kind of sausage. I don't really know what it was. And then everyone was like, oh my God, you can't be posting that, Ray Parker Jr. So then he was saying that, this Daniel Logan, the guy who played the little kid Bob Feet in Attack of the Clowns, anyway, so he's saying that apparently he was having an affair with Ray Parker Jr.'s wife. So he posted this picture of her eating her dinner or something as revenge, which is, that's not very nice. People don't want to have people watching you while you eat. Then there were all these posts illegibly saying that apparently Ray Parker Jr.'s kids hated him and he was a horrible man. And then his wife was saying, no, I didn't post them. I never said that. So no one really knows what's going on right now. But I don't know. I find it a little bit strange that, he would think that his wife was having an affair with a little kid. Like, she's a lot older than him. And, there's, I don't know. Look, stay tuned, okay? I'm going to, investigate this story, and I will bring you updates whenever I can. So anyway, that's pretty much the most exciting things that happened this week. So thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned. I'll have more celebrity interviews as well soon, because apparently you guys really liked it when I talked to North Dakota Johnsons. So there'll be more of that, and also there's a guy, his name is Fanjection or something. You might want to go onto his channel and subscribe to it because, I can't say too much. But there's something happening there soon, and maybe it involves me. I don't know. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned next week when I'll have more movie news. And remember, if you didn't hear it from me, you probably heard it somewhere else first.
Click subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest movie reviews. Skynet will be taking over any day now, so what have you got to lose? Nyah.